Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change email in Darkware Survival. If you're trying to change the email link to your Darkware Survival account, here's what you need to know. The game currently doesn't allow you to update your email directly through in-game settings. However, there's a simple workaround. Contact customer support. Just head over to your profile settings and tap support. From there, you can type a short message requesting to change your email, hit send. If you prefer live assistance, select customer service to chat with a representative in real time. When contacting them, make sure to include your current account details, the new email you want to use, and a clear explanation of your request. This helps speed up the verification process and increases your chances of approval. Unfortunately, aside from creating a new account or switching states, through character management, reaching out to support remains the official way to change your email in Darkwire Survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.